Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to convert Facebook page to a profile account. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I have noticed that most of the videos online teaches us how to turn our existing professional account to a regular account. Okay. But for Facebook pages, there will be no option for that. Okay. For example, you have your personal account, right? And you turned on professional mode. That's why your personal account turned into a Facebook page. Okay, you can just easily convert it to a regular account by just go into your profile right here. This is your profile. Tap on three dots right here, and then just turn off professional mode. Okay, tap on it. Now tap on continue and follow simple prompts, and once done, you're good to go. Now the problem is if you have created a Facebook page from your personal account. Okay, so in here, tap on three dots or three horizontal lines. Okay, now tap on this down arrow key and go ahead and log into any of your Facebook pages, like so. This one right here is my Facebook page. Now, I want to go ahead over to my profile. Okay, and tap on three dots. Right here, as you can see, we don't have that option, turn off professional mode. Okay. Unfortunately, you cannot directly convert a Facebook page to a regular account. You can only convert a Facebook professional page to a regular account if that professional page was once your personal account. All right. I hope that makes sense. But that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.